Here's a 5-minute yoga video to energize your day. Start by stretching your arms over your head, then slowly hug the knees in. Move both knees gently to the right side. Bring the right hand on top of the knees. Then move it to the other side. Bring the left hand on top to press it down. Slowly extend both arms out to the side, then swing your knees side to side 3 times. Extend the legs up towards the ceiling, straight or not, then hold on to it as close as you can. Slowly release your hands down beside you as you lower one leg at a time without letting your touch the bed 5 times. Hug both knees into your chest. Straighten the left leg. Bring the right knee in to the left side and twist. And then switch to the other side. Left knee in, twist to the right. And then extend arms out to the side. Bringing the right knee in to the opposite. And then switching to the other side. Twisting one after the other 3 times. Then slowly come up to sit. And then cross your legs. Bring your hands and knees down towards the bed to your tabletop position. Rock the head side to side and then slowly push your hips back to your child's pose. Inhale to cow, broaden your collarbone. Exhale to child's pose. Inhale to cow pose. Exhale, sit back into child's pose. Inhale to cow. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale to cow. Exhale back to child's pose. Slowly come back to your tabletop position, reaching the right hand up towards the ceiling and threading it through towards the left side. Right hand up again, threading it through to the left side. Right hand up towards the ceiling, thread it through to the left side, and then reach the left arm up, wrap it around your back, and then you can swing your hip side to side. Left hand down, and then come back to your tabletop position. Left hand up towards the ceiling, thread in through, and then bring your head down. Push the bed with your right hand and reach the left hand up as you thread it through again. Lift the left hand up, thread it through to the right side, and then reach the right hand up towards the ceiling, wrap it around your back, and then you can swing your hips again side to side. Press the right hand down and come back to your child's pose. Slowly come up to your knees and then bring the right hand down to your left ankle, reaching your left hand over your head. Push the hips forward, stretch the front part of the body, and then switch to the other side. Same thing, left hand down, push the hips forward, right hand over. Do this about 2 times. And then slowly come back down to sit. Rock the head side to side, shoulders down away from the ears, and try to sit up straight. We're gonna do Nadi Shodhana by bringing the right thumb towards your right nostril and your right ring finger towards your left nostril. Release the right nostril, inhale through your right. Close the right. Exhale through the right. Inhale through your right, close the right, exhale through the right. Inhale through your right, close the right, exhale through the right. Inhale to the left, close the left, exhale to the left. Inhale to the left, close the left, exhale to the left. Inhale through your left, close the left, exhale through your left. Release the nose, and then from here, take a deep breath first before we come back. Inhale through your left, close the left, exhale through your right. Inhale through the right, close the right, Exhale to the left. Inhale to the left. Close the left. Exhale through your right. Inhale to your right. Close the right. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Close the left. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Close the right. Exhale through the left. Release the hand down and then just take a deep breath. Bring your hands in a prayer position. Take this moment to be grateful. Namaste. Thank you for practicing yoga with me. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out more yoga videos and follow me in my Facebook and Instagram.